The XponeX Masterplan management system is a central hub used to oversee, manage, control, and direct all of your projects in a master plan, from pre-concept feasibility to operational management, considering all aspects including power, water, district cooling, traffic impact, ecosystem, and sustainability considerations. By using this system, you can reduce the pre-construction timeline by 50% and save pre-construction costs by 30%. You will also have 100% visibility on the entire project, from minute details to the big picture. You will be able to see the impact of any changes in real time and have the ability to do cash flow forecasting versus internal rate of return analysis, enabling you to make quick decisions. In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate how the system works and highlight its major features, so you can understand how easy and intelligent it is. By watching this video, you can use your XponeX AI free account to apply these features to a sample master plan and experience the benefits of this comprehensive system for large-scale construction management. Please visit www.xponexai.com, log in and enter the command Manage Masterplan to open the default master plan. If you are new to XponeX AI, I recommend watching previous introductory video on this. The main menu includes topography, projects, utilities, ecosystem, sustainability, cash flow, analysis, unified reports, and metaverse. Let's go through them one by one. Click on topography to expand and see the sub-menu options. You can view and easily understand information such as districts and zones in the master plan, the number of plots and projects in each, interactive land use distribution analysis, terrain, contours, geological features, hydrology, microclimate, and the amount of earthwork required for primary site readiness. The projects menu is one of the most frequently used menus. You can view all the projects, marked with a thumbnail on the plots they belong to. To see the stage-by-stage opening schedule, expand the menu and click on Phasing. Clicking on a date will display the projects and infrastructure scheduled to open. This will help you understand the stage-by-stage opening schedule and identify projects that need to be accelerated to complete before the stage opening date. All projects in the master plan are automatically categorized as design, procurement, construction, and operation based on their present status. To view the projects currently in design, expand the Design category. Clicking on a project will highlight it on the map and provide further information about its design stage. The Procurement category displays projects that are in the bidding stage. The Construction category displays projects that are currently under construction. The Operation category displays completed and live projects. XponeX has detailed systems for all the above categories: design management, procurement management, construction management, and operation management. Clicking on the Schedule button shows you to view the overall schedule of all projects in high-level bars for design, procurement, construction, and operation, including actual bars with delays on each project. In addition, you can view the detailed project schedule by clicking on a project. On the timeline, you can see the size of each project. Clicking on a project on the timeline also highlights the project on the map, with its typology, number of units, population, and efficiency. All major utilities, such as power, potable water, irrigation water, and district cooling, are listed under Utilities. The detailed requirements for all of these utilities are automatically calculated based on the typology, floor plates, units, and area of each project, and this is done for the entire master plan. Let's review the analysis of power demand and supply. You can view the total power requirements for all projects in the master plan, and expanding it will display the power requirements for each individual project. Click on the report icon to see the power requirement calculations for each project based on various typology, including leasable units and non-leasable areas. These calculations are based on the detailed configurations of each project in real time. Click on the supply to view the energizing schedules for substations in the project, as well as distribution diagrams and power heat maps. By expanding the timeline, you can see the forecasted demand and supply for the entire project development schedule, as well as the temporary power required in case demand exceeds supply. The system will automatically identify these cases and list them under the temporary power requirements, or you can obtain a new schedule for substation commissioning to avoid temporary power supply. XponeX offers demand and supply analysis of district cooling based on the plant commissioning schedule. You can view the total cooling requirements for all projects in the master plan, and expanding it will show the cooling requirements for each individual project. Click on the report icon to see the cooling requirement calculations for each project based on various typologies, including leasable units and non-leasable indoor areas. You can view the distribution of the district cooling network in the master plan with in and out chilled water lines, as well as the connections to each plot or project. By expanding the timeline, you can see the forecasted demand and supply for the entire project development schedule, as well as the temporary air conditioning required in case demand exceeds supply. Similarly, there are detailed calculations and systems for potable water and irrigation water. Now let's move on to the ecosystem section, which includes population, parking, traffic impact, environmental noise, and microclimate. The population for each project is automatically calculated based on the project's typology, units, and areas for number of residents, visitors, and employees. The required parking for each project is also calculated and compared to the parking provided. XponeX includes an inbuilt traffic impact analyzer to estimate trip generation from each project and assign it on the road network to determine the number of lanes required and provide recommendations for junctions, such as roundabouts, signalized junctions, or flyovers. This tool can show the impact of individual projects on the network and how traffic flows based on the stage-by-stage road opening schedule throughout the entire timeline of the master plan development. Additionally, XponeX has an interactive traffic testing system that allows you to assess the performance of the road network by changing road closures or partial closures, the impact of changes in the opening schedule of projects, or changes in the project design itself. All aspects related to sustainability, from the project level to the master plan level, are provided under the Sustainability main menu. This includes public transport, waste management, renewable or energy-efficient systems, and creating a green environment. Ultimately, the return on investment is the most important factor. The Cash Flow main menu covers two major aspects related to this. The cost forecast for the entire master plan development, based on the individual project development, considering design and construction cost variations for at least the next 10 to 20 years, and the sales return as rent or property selling, considering market fluctuations, including local demands and other similar projects underway in the locality, for various typology units and square feet rates for the next 10 to 20 years. This analysis will identify the break-even point of individual projects and the entire master plan, considering operational costs, finance interest rates, and internal rate of return. The system also shows you the loss in overall revenue due to delays in opening individual projects and how much you can gain if you accelerate those projects. Unified reports are a very useful and interesting feature that provides combined reports of various aspects, ranging from minute project level calculations to the master plan level, with relevant analysis, summaries, dashboards, and risks and actions to be taken for the next step. There are over 16 different types of unified reports available. Let's go through a few of them. One example is the Power Demand and Supply Report, which provides information on the entire power demand and supply in the master plan, including how the demand is calculated, the capacity of substations, phase-wise commissioning, and if temporary power is required, when and in what amount. Here, you can view the archive of each report generated and saved at different stages, or click a button to view the real-time report as of now. Similarly, check District Cooling Report. Another example is the Area Schedule Report, which shows a detailed breakup of the standard area schedule. You can export this report to Excel if needed. You can also view various analyses and heat maps. Monitoring and analyzing project milestones, managing construction site logistics, health and safety management, handling inter-project relationships, setting up site offices, establishing laydown areas, managing crane operations, and so on. The last menu option is the Metaverse, which allows you to view an interactive, automated 3D environment for massing diagrams, concept designs, detailed designs, and virtual site visits using a VR headset. Thank you for watching this video. Keep in mind that this is a customized application based on your business workflows, standards, procedures, and systems. Thank you once again, and good luck.